Playing Coding Numbers Misfits in the K2 world is a great way to practice making number sequences. The goal of the game is to figure out the number sequence, spot the misfit, and use code to move the misfits back into their proper place. Round 1 begins with 2 pattern bars. Each bar has 5 numbers. These numbers belong to a sequence, such as +1 or +2. For example, this sequence is adding by 1, and this sequence is adding by 2. It is your job to find the misfit numbers that need to be moved to their proper places. In this example, the misfit in the top bar is 9, and the misfit in the bottom bar is 3. You can move the 9 down 1 space and over to the right 4 spaces to swap it with the 3. To move a number, first click on it. The number will appear as the first symbol on the first line of code. Next, use the arrows on the left to direct the number into the spot. Each arrow moves the number 1 box. For this problem, we only need 1 arrow up and 1 arrow left. When you're happy with your code, click Run. The computer will make the moves and check the sequence you made. If it is correct, the boxes will turn green. If the code is incorrect, the boxes will turn red and a new problem will appear. Your progress meter at the bottom keeps track of the plays you have won to complete a game. In rounds 1 and 2, it takes 3 plays to fill the meter, and in rounds 3 and 4, it takes only 2 plays to fill the meter. Each game starts with a set number of bonus stickers depending on the round. If all of your lines of code are correct, you will keep those bonus stickers. For each incorrect line of code or incorrect play, you will lose those 2 bonus stickers. Sometimes, if a line of code is incorrect, it will be flagged and you will have a chance to rewrite the code to try and get it right. If you want to change a line of code, just click on a symbol and it will disappear. Continue to play the games until you complete all 4 rounds and earn the maximum number of stickers. We hope you have fun playing Coding Numbers Misfits. If you get stuck or want to find out the number of stickers you can earn, click the directions button below the game. Good luck!